2017 Volkswagen Passat 1.8T SC with technology remainder of factory warranty, recent trade-in, rear backup camera, Bluetooth hands-free, Sirius XM, navigation GPS nav, sunroof moonroof, SC lighting package, remote keyless entry, alloy wheels, distance pacing cruise control, front fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, ABS brakes, air conditioning, auto-dimming rear view mirror, automatic temperature control, blind spot sensor, blind spot monitor warning, brake assist, CD player, compass, delay off headlights, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front dual zone AC, fully automatic headlights, garage door transmitter, home link, heated door mirrors, heated front bucket seats, heated front seats, heated rear seats, illuminated entry, leather shift knob, leather steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, radio, Discover Media AM/FM/CD/HD with navigation, rain sensing, wipers, rear anti-roll bar, rear window defroster, speed control, speed sensing steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, variably intermittent wipers. Recent arrival. Carfax One owner. 2334 City/Highway. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.